Hi guys, today in this video we're just going to show you how to quickly clean a budgie cage. See, this is our cage. See all that mess? Vinegar, diluted some vinegar with water just to avoid the bacteria growth. Tray is all clean, brand new. So this is vinegar plus water. We'll do a thin layer of this spray just to kill some bacteria. It will go two ways. It will kill the bacteria, plus it will make the grip of this cling wrap. So it depends how big the tray is. So for this tray, I'm gonna do 3 wraps. I'm gonna start from the corner. See how this is sticking easily? Just with the water and vinegar. Make sure you overlap probably 5-7 centimeters on the joints, just to make sure the mess doesn't go underneath. The 3rd layer. So this is the trickiest part for the corners. Just giving a little bit of spray on the corners. The outside. Just make sure it gets good grip. All done. Now this is all done. So after 3-4 days, when you're going to take this off, you're gonna repeat the same process. Just start unwrapping from one corner, and that's it. There you go. I'll wrap this.